Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang cat dent violation. Cat dent tayo hanggang mag-violet. Tama ba ako? Gusto mo ba yun? Cat dent tayo hanggang mag-violet. So once again, let's all watch this. Anong atake dito? Ay, stroll lang sila for today's video. Kung gusto mo yan, ma'am, go. Stroll lang sila. Okay. Sweet talaga sila. Alam mo yung kahit hindi man sila magkasama, diyan, I mean magkalayo, hindi magkadikit, pero the chemistry, you can really feel the chemistry talaga, no? Sa totoo lang. Okay. Ay, ano to? Dito talaga di ba kung saan ang after ng Hidden Love again na ang dami nilang tumpak-tumpak na nakinita, doon pa talaga sila nagtahimik. There is something talaga. Di ba? There is something talaga. Kunwari wala akong alam. Kunwari wala akong alam. Mapapaisip na there is something talaga. Di ba? Okay. Can you wake up? Okay. Okay, what's next? Ay, atake. Ito yung bumasag sa mga fake news before na hindi na nagpansinan and everything. Diba? Eh, may kuha sa likod ng camera for today's video. Wala tayong magagawa. Diba? Ay, wait lang. I-share ko nga muna to. Okay, what's next? Ay, behind the scene people. Ay, hindi na panood na natin to. Ay, atake. Nothing gonna stop this couple like this. Yes, indeed. So, ay, oh, magkadikit talaga sila sa elevator. Totoo ba? Ngayon lang natin ito nakita, ah. True ba? Totoo ba, ma'am? And we can feel this. Nothing's gonna stop us. Sa mga maano na nila lang, matitibay na nila lang for today's video. Nothing's gonna stop us. Sa totoo lang. O loko. I mean, if you know, you know. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Okay. Gwapo ni Alden, my God. You're crazy. Ay, okay. Ano to? Sikat talaga kahit yung damit niya mahaba and everything. Wala ka talaga mako-question sa kanya. She is so pretty indeed. Maganda talaga siya. Softer. She's so pretty indeed. Okay, ay, andyan pala si Alden. Hindi ko napansin si Alden dyan. Okay, what's next? Ay, oh, napanood na natin yan. Napanood na natin yan. Napanood na natin yan. Ay, atake si Alden. Oh, di ba? Oo, no? Ay, may nakita mo yun? Nakita mo ba yun? Decision na. Okay. Oh my God, napaiyak ako nito. Napaiyak ako nito. Nang gumawa ako ng reaction video na to.
Hindi ko po na-realize na I'm that worthy.
Thankful talaga siya. Oh, ay, iba ang tingin. Iba ang tingin. Jeez. Iba ang tingin for today's video. Hindi mo kaya.
Salamat po sa tiwala. And syempre kay Kana.
Kanya nandig mo. And that's where we want to go.
Maraming salamat sa'yo.
Okay. Ay, sana all binubuhat. Dito sa point na to, mapapasabi ka na lang talaga na sana all binubuhat, mami. Sa totoo lang. Okay. Just a kasi night changer. Gwapo ni Alden. Okay. Ay, what's that? What is this? What is this? Ah, taping nila sa Canada to. Anyways, what's next?
I like your eyes.
Ay, Kat. Ha? Ha? Ganun ba talaga dapat yun, ma'am? Ha? Ha? I like your what? Oh, I like your hair. Atake sa I like your hair. I love it. Okay.
I like your hands.
I like your hands.
Hands too.
Ay,
Thank you.
sige,
I like how you care about people.
maganti yan. Ay, I like your Di mo kaya. May sagot talaga siya.
I like your back.
I like your back.
Oh, I like your back too.
Parang bumabalik lang sa akin. How you make the atmosphere.
Make that atmosphere where you are like.
I like your
I like your what? Ano?
I like your acting prowess.
The working
I
ethics.
like how you treat the people around you.
Ay, atake. Totoo ba, ma'am?
Like your smile.
I like your smile too.
I like how you think of things to make people happy.
I like how open you are when it comes to having fun.
I like how open you are in terms of
Ay.
everything.
I like what?
Like your feet. You have nice feet.
Talaga?
Anyways, there you go guys. This is for today's video. This is Kid Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!